Hi guys, so today we'll be teaching you how to create your own laminated stickers um, using QAF laminated film, cold laminating film, and sticker paper, simple sticker paper. All right, so I have two outputs. I have this one, and actually have this one in our church. So this one is going to be a sticker for properties. I'm gonna stick it out to the properties of the church, and I have this one. So by the way, I edited edited this one using my Photoshop CS4, and the other one, this one is just I just downloaded it from the internet through Google. So I just searched by verse stickers, and this is the result. And again, because of the technology and whatnot, I was able to get this free, and there's no need for me to design. I'm really bad at designing, so it's actually good. So yeah, so this is it. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and print this one and have this laminated. All right. Okay. Okay, so the materials we will be using is this one, craft cold laminating film, photo top glossy. So this is the kind of laminating film that um, you will just have it uh, put up, uh, put up or cover the sticker paper. So because sticker papers, when you scratch the sticker paper, it will damage the sticker paper. So the good thing about have it laminated is that it will protect you from weather, from it's waterproof. The design will not go off from heat and whatnot. So the duration of the sticker may go quite some time. All right. I have my laminating machine, of course, and uh, the printed sticker paper. All right. Dira ang mga stickers. Yan, ako siyang gibitangan og laminating film kay para sinaw and para maprolong. So ako siya padagan. So natin magamit ng sticker para sa mga devices sa church. Sticker na siya, so pwede na siya mapilit diretso. Dili na necessary utang scotch tape. Alright. Okay. Or sino kayo? Okay, so after this is an example of the sticker paper. So as you can see, let's do a corn ha. I'll scratch it. As you can see, because it does not have any laminating film, I try to scratch it. Let's say for example, you put this on a bottle. Okay, you have it like this, all right, or have it in a let's say your business. You put it somewhere. Okay, so this is the bad thing. So once it's scratched, it's easily scratched. Okay, and again, as what I have said, this is a a sticker. You can just remove this and it will stick, right? So that's the disadvantage of a sticker that's not laminated. So what I did is I already did have it laminated. So this is the final. These are some of the final outputs. This is an example of one. As you can see, it's kind of glossy. All right. This is also glossy, but it's way glossy. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a certain film in there, and that's the laminated. So it's already. I tried to scratch it. Okay. So as you can see, it's not really scratching. I tried to scratch it a couple of times, and as you can, it just scratch the plastic, the film. So it is not damaged. Unlike this one, it damaged. All right, the color went off and whatnot. So I also tried this to have it, you know, put some alcohol on this. Let me check. Okay, check. Can you see my hands? It's kinda the color went off. So that's one of the disadvantages. Unlike, whereas if you're using laminated film, if you have that, if you put something in here, it will not. It's really waterproof. It's like that. It's just gonna stay there. Right. So that is the benefit of having it laminated. All right. So these are some of the outputs I have here. It's already pre-cut from this one. All right. To this one. So these are all laminated films. It's actually nice. You can put it in your car. You put it in your motorcycle and whatnot. Okay. So yeah. So that's it. If you want to order, you can. I am actually do editing as well. But if you already have a design, you just have it printed and whatnot. Just call me and I'll be able to make your own sticker paper. All right. Okay, thank you so much for watching this quick vlog, and I'm happy that I'm able to, you know, teach you another things. I hope you learned something, and if you have questions, if you want me to you know, do a vlog, any another kind of business or any digital printing or whatnot, just let me know, and I'll be happy to assist. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.